In a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a curious and kind-hearted boy named Sam. Sam had an insatiable love for nature and a genuine passion for exploring the wonders of the jungle that surrounded his village. One day, as he ventured deeper into the thick foliage, he stumbled upon a heartwarming and unexpected friendship that would change his life forever. As Sam trekked through the dense undergrowth, he heard a gentle trumpeting sound. Intrigued, he followed the melody until he came across a young elephant trapped in a thicket. The elephant, with pleading eyes, looked at Sam as if asking for help. Without hesitation, Sam reached into his backpack and pulled out a small knife, carefully freeing the majestic creature. The elephant, named Kavi, expressed his gratitude with a joyful trumpeting sound and a playful nudge. From that moment on, a profound bond blossomed between Sam and Kavi. They explored the jungle together, discovering hidden waterfalls, secret meadows, and the most enchanting corners of the forest. Sam and Kavi's friendship became the talk of the jungle. The animals watched in awe as the duo showcased the true meaning of companionship, transcending the boundaries between species. The wise old owl, Olivera, who had witnessed many tales in the jungle, approached Sam one day. "Sam," hooted Olivera, "your friendship with Kavi is a testament to the beauty of understanding and kindness. Remember, true friends come in all shapes and sizes, and it is our actions that define the bonds we create." Sam took Olivera's words to heart and, in turn, shared the wisdom with his fellow villagers. The once skeptical villagers, who had initially questioned Sam's unconventional friendship, began to see the genuine love and mutual respect between the boy and the elephant. However, as time passed, a shadow fell over the jungle. A group of poachers entered the scene, driven by greed and a desire for profit. They saw Kavi's magnificent tusks and plotted to capture him for the illegal ivory trade. Sam, upon learning of the impending danger, knew he had to act swiftly to protect his friend. With the help of the jungle animals, Sam devised a plan to lead Kavi to a hidden sanctuary where he would be safe from harm. It required courage, quick thinking, and the cooperation of the entire jungle community. The animals rallied together, forming a united front against the poachers. In a dramatic showdown, Sam and his jungle friends outsmarted the poachers, guiding Kavi to safety just in the nick of time. The poachers, faced with the resilience and determination of the jungle community, retreated, realizing that true strength lay in unity and the protection of nature. The jungle rejoiced in the victory, and Sam's friendship with Kavi became a symbol of the importance of preserving the beauty of the natural world. The once skeptical villagers now understood that the jungle was not a place to be feared but a sanctuary of friendship, wisdom, and valuable life lessons. And so, the tale of Sam and Kavi lived on as a reminder that true friendship knows no bounds, and that protecting the wonders of nature is a responsibility we all share. The jungle flourished, and the bond between the boy and the elephant served as an everlasting beacon of hope, inspiring generations to come to cherish and protect the precious treasures of the earth.